In this video, I'll show you how to convert TON to USDT on Bitget Wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you need to do is open up and log into your Bitget Wallet. If you don't already have a Bitget account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that'll get you 6,200 USDT in welcome and trading bonuses. So after you've logged into your Bitget Wallet, we're going to go right down here to the bottom right hand corner and tap on the wallet icon or assets. This is going to bring up all of the assets you have in your account. We're going to look for TON. If you don't see TON in the list below, you can search for it by tapping on the search icon right here. Type in TON and it should pop up. Just tap on it. Once you're on this page, we're going to look for and tap on trade. That's going to bring up the swap feature. And we want to swap TON into USDT. If USDT doesn't pop up, you can just tap on this arrow right here and search for USDT in the list or look for it in the list. Tap on USDT. Enter the amount of TON you want to convert into the USDT. You're going to go right over here and tap on this button, confirm the transaction, and that's how to convert TON to USDT in Bitget Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.